So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create a new watch list here on Yahoo Finance. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up Yahoo Finance. Once that is done, just go to the bottom left and select the home screen. So from right here right in front of me, it says create your first watch list. Add simple. So I'm just going to go ahead here and press on add symbols right here to create a new list. So if I just wanted to add, for example, the SPY ETF, I'll go ahead and press on SPY ETF right here, which I've now added to my list. I'll just go ahead here and press on in the top right the star icon to favorite this and add this to my list. So once I go back, I now have a list right here. Now if you wanted to create a new list, it's fairly straightforward as well. Right where it says list, go to the top right to where those three little dots are and press on the three little dots, and where it says create a new list, just press on that and go ahead and press on not now or sign in. And now you can create a new list of your choosing. So I'll just go ahead here and press on create a new list, and you can actually have to sign into this to require this to create a new list. You actually have to sign in. So just go ahead and sign in or register for an account and press on that, and there you go. That is how to create a new list or a new watch list here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.